nucleic acids. The particles in nucleus of the cell responsible for heredity are called chromosomes, which are made up of proteins and another type of biomolecules called nucleic acids. These are mainly of two types, D-ribonucleic acids and ribonucleic acids. Chemical composition of nucleic acids. Complete hydrolysis of DNA or RNA yields a pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and nitrogen containing heterocyclic compounds called bases. In DNA molecules, the sugar in beta-D2 deoxyribose, whereas in RNA molecules, it is the D-ribose. Pentose sugars. These are the structure of pentose sugar. Nitrogen bases. DNA contains 4 bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, etc. RNA also contains 4 bases. The first 3 bases are as in the DNA, but the fourth one is uracil. These are the compounds of nitrogen bases. Structure of nucleic acids. A unit is formed by the attachment of bases to I position of sugar is known as nucleosides. When nucleoside is linked to phosphoric acid at 5th position of sugar moiety, we get a nucleotide. These are the structure of nucleotide. DNA nucleotide. Phosphate group when attached to sugar and nitrogen bases makes the DNA nucleotide. Joining of nucleotides. Nucleotides are joined together by phosphodiester linkage between 5' and 3' carbon atoms of the pentose sugar. The formation of a typical dinucleotide. Formation of a dinucleotide. Structure of DNA. The sequence of nucleotide in the chain of a nucleic acid is called its primary structure. Nucleic acids have a secondary structure. Also, James Watson and Francis Crick gave a double-stranded helix structure for DNA. 2 nucleic acid chains are wound about each other and held together by hydrogen bonds between pairs of bases. This is the structure of double helix of DNA. Adenine and thymine attached with the 2 hydrogen bonds, and cytosine and guanine attached with 3 hydrogen bonds. The 2 strands are complementary to each other because the hydrogen bonds are formed between specific pairs of bases. Adenine forms hydrogen bonds with thymine, whereas cytosine forms hydrogen bonds with guanine. Base pairing by unique hydrogen bonds, C with G and A with T pairs. Secondary structure of RNA. In the secondary structure of RNA, helicals are present which are single-stranded. Sometimes they fold back on themselves to form a double helix structure. RNA molecules are of 3 types and they perform different functions. They are named as messenger RNA, mRNA, ribosomal RNA, and transfer RNA. Biological function of nucleic acid. DNA is the chemical basis of heredity. DNA is exclusively responsible for maintaining the identity of different species of organisms over million of years. A DNA molecule is capable for self-duplication during cell division, and identical DNA strands are transferred to daughter cells. Another important function of nucleic acid is the protein synthesis in the cell. Actually, the protein are synthesized by various RNA molecules in the cell, but the message for the synthesis of a particular protein is present in DNA. Thank you.